Hello, welcome to a new video. Today I'll be showing you how to make a chase game on Scratch. I recommend to do a chase game as your first game you make on Scratch. It is very simple and teaches you how to move characters left, right, up and down. So I'm going to call it chase game. Oh, spelled that quite wrong. And now I'm going to delete this cat and I'm going to add in a mouse and I'll use that first. So you will need 2 players to play this game, the version I'm showing you. I'm gonna get that cat actually. And so the first thing you'll want to do is go to events, select when green flag clicked. This is how a lot of Scratch projects start. And then get a forever loop. Forever loop, whatever code you put inside of it will work forever. It doesn't just work once, it works forever. So if I put something like where is it? Turn 15 degrees, and then I clicked the green flag, it's going to turn forever. So that's forever loop. You're then going to go to if then, and then sensing, and then there's this here which is if key space pressed. You're going to want to slot that in there by dragging it across and then letting go when it's got the outline there. And then click here and choose what button you want it to be. I'm going to put it as up arrow first. And then I think for this I'm going to do point and direction and then move 10 steps, but there is another way to do this. So I'm going to make it point at 0, which is up. And then it's going to move 10 steps. Where is move 10 steps? At the top. So now, if I go on here and press up arrow, it moves up. Okay, and it's not very useful if it can only move up, so duplicate this or just do it again, and then do, let's say, down arrow, and it's going to point down. So now I can have a cat move up and down across the screen. I might make the cat a bit smaller. That should be enough. And then just duplicate that 2 more times for left and right, and then you're done with your cat's code. So for the next one, you're going to want left arrow and make it point left. So minus 90 degrees. And then for this one, same thing again, but on right, and obviously make it point in direction right. So 90 degrees. Oh wait, that's not 90 degrees. There. So now your cat can move around, but they have nothing to move towards. So now let's make a mouse. So you're going to want to go here and then search up mouse, and it will come up with this one here. I'm going to shrink it down to 75. And the mouse, pretty much the same code again, but instead of up arrow, down arrow, left arrow, right arrow, we're going to code it with W, A, S, and D. So if I go sensing, W, can I just type it in? No. W, so that will make it move upwards. So same code again, point in direction 0, and then move 10 steps. Oh, that should be in the if then loop. That was just me failing. And then S will be down. A will be left. And then D will be right. So now you have your mouse, but if I get my cat to collide into the mouse or the mouse to collide into the cat... Wait, why isn't that working? Oh wait, it is. But very weirdly, 2 seconds. Okay, there's some weird stuff going on with the mouse. Just means I have to switch it around. Okay, that's really weird. Why is that happening? Oh, I'm just struggling at making a chase game for some reason, don't worry about it, but now the mouse works fine. But when it collides into the cat, nothing happens, so we want to change that. So when the cat, we're going to put another if then, so go to control, which is the orange one, and then press if then and slot it not in the if then, other if then loops, but in the infinity loop, the forever loop I mean. And then go to sensing, which is light blue, and then select touching, and you're going to select cat 2. Oh wait, no, mouse 1. And then you can either do stop all, so that means if the cat touches the mouse would be controlled by someone else. Then cat wins, game over. But if you're feeling a bit more advanced, you could do create a variable. I'm going to call it score. And then you could do change variable score by 1. So now if I touch the mouse, oh wait, changes my score by more than 1, but hopefully the mouse will be running around. Oh, I know how to fix this actually. Put it in a forever loop. Wait 1 second. Just remembering how to code a chase game. Okay, now that should work. Yeah. So that's some code you could do. And finally, to finish it off, put the cat at about -200, and then you can pick what you want your Y level to be. I'm going to do -24. The way to do this is to do when green flag clicked and then put go to there. So that stops it from touching the mouse, and then you need to press the green flag a bunch and hold down an arrow key to get away from it. And finally, because the score's a bit crazy at the moment, you'll put set score to 0 at the start. So now there is a very nice chase game here, if I just move that guy up, that you can play with your friend. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Bye.